So, 30 July 2025, and one of the things I haven't done in the last 10 days or so is post a video. The forest fire situation is getting really bad in northern Manitoba, and the air quality index is through the roof. It's not just unhealthy for those with like asthma and whatnot, it's unhealthy for everybody. It just sucked the life out of me here. Same thing with Dad. We all been fighting bad coughs. But yesterday and today, Dad and Aiden worked on this Muskeg tractor. As you can see, they got a lot of it stripped off here, and they got the roll bar off. And they're going to start stripping this more and more and more. They got a lot of the stuff out of the inside here, the seats and a lot of the guts, and they're going to take a lot of this out. And okay, a little break in the video there, got interrupted by the dogs. I haven't seen Charlie in 2 days, or Emily, and they're just wondering why I haven't been by. But as they indicated, I was got too much smoke. So anyways, yeah, back to what's going on here. We got some drain out some water here and clean up that basin. I think Dad's is going to pull everything out here, and you still got to grind off this. Hi Charles, oh my god, hello my old dog. And I think they want to get the rad back on, because when I was talking to Dad about this yesterday, he says he wants to get it into the shop under its own power. So it'll be this machine and then the other machine. And you can see he's already done some painting of some of the equipment here, and just stuff being pulled out. And then he's got airboats again. There's 4 of them here, I think, that he's got to pull apart. We also have the Bombardier. I don't know what happened to it, unless Buddy came by to pick it up. It'll be parked around here somewhere. Anyways, there's a couple other airboats over there he's got to fix. So yeah, there's one here. Yeah, I don't know what happened to the Bombardier. Maybe Buddy picked it up. Anyways, busy dogs here, and it's getting hotter here, but the smoke is getting crazy. Hi Emily, hi my girl. And we'll just take a look at what the shop looks like from the inside. Again, the Bombardier is out, and Dad repainted some new lines here. And this Muskeg tractor is being treated like a shelving unit right now. Customer owns these motors here. They just finally got some spark on it. I want to see those go, because they're a big time waster. So because of the hotter conditions and the smoke in the air, Dad wants to be able to work in the shop. We're going to throw that air exchanger on too, because you can just taste the smoke in the air. And the dogs are even panting here. Hey my baby. So yeah, that's the shop update, and hopefully you guys are going to see more action videos of stuff happening around here. But right now Dad's more focused in on his garden and trying to take it easy, because he's not doing too well either. So that's the end of the video. We'll see you guys in the next one. So Dad's got the Bombardier actually out in the back part of the property here, out in the open, so that it can kind of cook and cure in the hot sun. Been overcast here obviously, but it's all done. I think he put 3 coats of paint on, so he's just going to let it cook here for the next week, and then the customer can come pick it up. So there's the Bombardier all done. I think this is Dad's last paint job, where he's going to do just a paint job. And he says it's just not worth his time and effort to do just paint jobs anymore. And if he's going to do a paint job, he wants to do all the mechanical work on it too. So everything got put back into place, and it's just waiting for the customer to make the final payment and come pick it up. So there's your update.